Rock on!
They forget the key to their lock in their trailer. Yeah, they did.
Everybody inside.
Oh
Not
shit.
the band, please.
I was number one at I should have worn my shirt that says I'm with the band.
Something about this does not bode well. Is that the next band that goes on? Yeah. This doesn't seem like a good idea. What's he doing?
I don't know.
He's totally videotaping. He's like, dude, this is gonna be like something on YouTube, man.
What's he gonna do? He's gonna karate chop it?
Oh, this is not good. Oh no.
What was that? That was so gay.
That was awesome. It was like a slowdown before we got
What was
there.
that? That was a failed attempt.
Having keys is what are you doing? They don't have the key to get into their trailer.
I can't what?
They don't have the keys to get in their trailer.
Oh.
Don't even try to help.
Is that Tara?
Yeah.
Tara Ninja?
It's Tara Patrick.
Dude, these guys were not ready to play. I have a hammer. Should I give him the hammer?
That's not gonna help.
Beat the lock with a hammer. It'll open.
I squish your head.
So Mikey, care to narrate what's going on in front of us right now?
This is the band
Scott,
that's
don't hurt
that was supposed to
anything.
be here an hour and a half ago. They can't get into their trailer. They can't get in their trailer.
All right.
For real.
Are you mind if I use your cell phone, please, so I can maybe call somebody pick me up, please?
I don't have a cell phone.
Sorry.
Sorry. I have a pager.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, that just means you guys can go on earlier.
So we get to go before them, right?
I guess so.
All right.
Well, he's up on top of the trailer.
Smash through it.
On stage.
Smash through it. Like morph your hand in the metal like in Terminator 2 and smash through the trailer.
That'd be awesome. It's terrible. They're trying to crowbar it open.
Wow.